weather with Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith.
Hey folks, we start tonight with a little bit of lightning safety. Remember, you don't have to be under the center of the heavy rain to get thunder and lightning. There are lightning bolts striking well out away from the core of these storms. One over here in Willacy County in the last few minutes. We're in lots of rumbles here in Weslaco right now. A little bit of lightning showing up in the upper valley, but the big storm is down to the southwest. It's been moving to the northeast all afternoon, coming up out of Mexico, and there's two real centers to this. One right here, the other one back here. The stuff that's getting closer to the border is turning right just before it gets here. That's something severe thunderstorms sometimes do. But look at the hail core. There are two of them. There's one right here. There's another one back there. This is the one that turned right. It was headed this direction, and then it again became severe and became a right turn or a right mover. 3-inch hail. It was showing 4.5-inch hail a little while ago. That's grapefruit size hail. But again, that's staying in Mexico. It's going eastward. This one also almost as big. That one looks like it's probably staying over there as well. This is where this one has been. Watch, it comes right down that line. So it was originally going northeastward, then took that right turn about an hour ago or so. And some of the rain still coming our direction, obviously, and the tops of the clouds all blowing this way, but that hailstorm staying to the south of us. This one will probably follow a similar path, maybe be even a little bit farther south from that one. But look how out on the leading edge of this, showers and thunder showers are beginning to break out. We are under a marginal risk for severe weather again tonight. Atmosphere a little less capped than last night. Last night that cap refused to break, basically along and east of 69C, so the storm stayed out west. But today with this marginal risk, and again maybe a little bit more favorable atmosphere for stuff to move in. If it does happen, we don't think we'll see that kind of hail that they're seeing down there, but the possibility of a strong storm is there this evening, so keep an eye on things. Marginal again is that number 1 on that 1 to 5 scale, which means isolated severe storms are possible. Two key words: isolated. Very few people get it, but it's out there. Like yesterday, it was isolated. There was one there, and there was one over here. Isolated again tonight, and possible. The other key word: not likely. Possible. Warm front moves northward tonight, and as it does, showers and storms break out along ahead of that front. 6:05, there's 7 o'clock. Scattered storms around the valley. To say it's going to happen right there at that time, models aren't that good, but the suggestion is there will be scattered showers and storms around. 8 o'clock, scattered stuff as well. By 9 o'clock, we're still seeing activity as that warm front pushes to the north all the way through midnight. But after that, then, once that front's north of us, southerly wind kicks back in, and I think the trigger for the stuff goes away. And while there'll still be some showers around in the morning, we're talking spotty stuff, nothing big. And by afternoon, the clouds break. We see some afternoon sunshine across the area. The risk today, again, for large hail is there. It's not zero. Typically, it sits right here, you know, off the chart low. So it's up a little bit. Damaging winds, a little bit of a risk there. Flooding rainfall, it could happen in 1 or 2 spots, but with the drought situation, a lot of that water runs off before we have any serious flooding problems. Then lightning, there's been a lot of that, and the tornado risk remains very low. Not zero, but very low. Here's your rainfall timing through this evening. A good chance. We're up in the scattered range for the next few hours, and then it kind of tapers off. And by 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, pretty much out of here. Dry through the afternoon with spotty activity, then just a low chance into Saturday night and early Sunday, with the next front moving through the area that will dry things out big time for Sunday. We go dry Sunday, and we stay that way Sunday and Monday. Humidity drops dramatically. Temperature-wise, we've got 94 on Sunday. I wouldn't be surprised to see a couple of readings touch the 100-degree mark Sunday afternoon for Easter Sunday. Could be in record territory, then a little bit cooler by Monday of next week. Break down the weekend for you tomorrow. Spotty morning shower, then some afternoon sun, a high of 92. For Easter, breezy and hot, but much lower humidity, at least 94. So an evening shower, thunderstorms tonight. Something could go severe. Again, possible. 74 for your low, then tomorrow back to 92, a couple of morning showers, but after that, I think we see some afternoon sunshine. So 92 tomorrow with a spotty shower, a lot of sunshine Sunday and Monday. I think Tuesday we cool it off a little bit. Another front comes in. Look at those lows down to the 50s and highs only in the 70s, but right now we're keeping a very close eye on radar. We're hearing the thunder just like you are. We'll track it, let you know if anything goes severe in the course of the next few minutes. Christine.